Hello, and welcome to part 10 of the LinuxKI video series. In this session, we'll be reviewing the File Activity Report, which provides detailed information on the files being accessed by the server. The File Activity Report is generated by the KI all script. Previous sessions covered the various reports designated by the check marks. The File Activity Report can be found in the .txt file beginning with the name KI file. The File Activity Report is based on the system call events, as well as the scheduler events such as sched switch and sched wakeup. The first section shows the top 30 files sorted by system call count. This section includes the total elapsed time spent by all file system calls during the trace, along with some basic file operation statistics such as the number of reads and writes, along with other file details about each file traced. Note that LinuxKI does its best to identify the file names, but in some cases, the information is not available from the traces, and you will see the question marks for the file names. The second section shows the top files being accessed, along with each system call made by all the tasks that access the file. For each system call, we can tell how much time was spent executing in kernel code, how much time was spent waiting for CPU, and how much time was spent sleeping. For the sleep, we can also see which kernel functions called switch in order to go to sleep. For read and write operations, we can identify the average size of the read or write system call, as well as the throughput in kilobytes. In this example, the top file being accessed is big file. Over 52 seconds of time was spent in the lseek system call, and most of the 52 seconds was spent sleeping on the file mutex. Meanwhile, over 40 seconds was spent in the write system call, and the average write system call time was 687 microseconds. Also note that more time was spent waiting on the file mutex than was spent actually waiting for the physical I/O. You will also find the top files sorted by the number of file errors and the top files sorted by elapsed time. Remember to visit the LinuxKI wiki page for additional information. Thank you for watching and have a great day.